Okay, so this one will not close. And here's the new one. Part number. Then we can just pick this out, right? All right, there we go. Okay. Then disconnect all this connector. And we got more here. Okay. All right, it's out. This is the one we're gonna replace. Gonna unplug this. If I can. Connector nowadays are getting complicated. There we go. You gotta press over here, I guess. Then this guy. And this one. All right. Okay, we gotta undo this so we can gain access on that screw. All right. And also disconnect this one. Okay. There we go. Cool. Now we can access those screws. Okay, got 3 more. All right, it is out. This guy is gonna go this way. make sure it's seated properly. Screw it in gently. Like that. And let's see if that one's seated correctly. Yeah. Open. Close. Sweet. Alright. Then you're gonna plug this back. Which way? This way. Then hook this up. Plug this guy. This one. And this guy. Sweet. Now it's ready to go back. Awesome. All right. So install this connector first. Then line this up. Then there's two more connector here. Oh, there's three. Okay. This guy and this guy. Alright. Then line this up. Shifter. Is it? There we go. There you go. When it's all lined up, just press it in. There we go. And this guy. Sweet. Don't forget this little shift lock release cover. Sweet. Just verify it. Awesome. Did we remove this? I don't think so. Someone else did and did not put it back. And it's been sitting here for a while. There we go. Sweet. Okay, just wipe this off a little bit. I don't have any greasy hands, but I like to clean up a little bit. Is this sitting correctly? Huh. Oops, it's not. Did somebody work on this before? Okay, so I rearranged it. It's not going in earlier because it was installed incorrect. So I think someone else has been here before me. Just want to clean it up a little bit. All right.